Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. In this video, I'm making a healthy green salad incorporating fresh ingredients, complete with a simple vinaigrette dressing. This salad recipe makes a great side dish and offers a simple way to enjoy a healthy and flavorful meal. I start by cleaning and chopping the vegetables. I chop the lettuce into large chunks and add it to a large bowl. I cut the onion up and separate the ring quarters as shown here. Then add this on top of the lettuce. Dice the tomatoes into chunky cubes and add them to the bowl too. Add salt and black pepper to taste. Squeeze the juice of half a lemon, followed by balsamic vinegar and extra virgin olive oil. Another way to make the dressing is by adding the lemon, vinegar, oil, black pepper and salt into a mason jar and shake it well until everything is well combined. Once happy with the taste, pour it over the vegetables and toss it all together. Mix gently until everything is well combined. Feel free to adjust black pepper and salt as needed. I hope you like this salad enough to try it. If you do, please let us know how yours turned out. I served this salad with curry rice and air-fried chicken wings, and it was delicious. Feel free to pair it with any accompaniment of your choice. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, hype, share and subscribe for simple recipes. Bye for now and thanks for watching.